You are welcome to today's analysis, and the market is trading at 34.4k. And one thing very important today is the Fed interest rate. So the federal fund rate will be released today. So what does that mean? And what will you be expecting in the market? All of these and more in today's analysis. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, hit subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. On the one-day chart, if you look at this, the market has failed to create a new high, although we've seen a little new close in this area, which is also very important, but the market does not have any strength to break upward. So this very area is so important in the market right now. And I told you that the market can stay in this very area for some time in form of a consolidation before moving to the upside. And two levels that you should be paying attention to is this level of support at this area and this level of resistance, which is very important. If the market break here, the market is going to move upward. That means if you see a breakout on this level of resistance right here with a significant bullish candle, market is going to ride up. And if we see a breakout here on the support with a bearish candle that closed below this very close, then that means market is going to come back to the downside. So these are the two most important things you need to watch on the chart right now, and is very important because this very breakout is going to change the direction of the market. Now, one thing very important is that you see this very Fed interest rate is going to impact on the market, and this is what you should be expecting. If we see a rate hike, that means if Fed hike rate by either 0.25 basic points or 0.50, I am expecting this market to come back down. No doubt market is going to come back down if there is a rate hike. Nobody knows what Fed is going to do about interest rate, but there are possible prediction, okay? But what I am expecting is that if Fed hike interest rate by 25 basic points or 50, then I am expecting that this market begin to come back down, and is going to come back down aggressively. So what you need to watch then is a breakout of this level of support. So once we see a breakout of this level of support, then that also means that market is going to move right down. 95% market is going to move right down as a result of interest rate hike. Let's say, for example, Fed did not hike interest rate, because two things is very certain. Either Fed hike interest rate or Fed keep interest rate unchanged. So if Fed keep this interest rate unchanged, that is, interest rate remain at this very point of 5.50%, then what I'll be expecting is breakout on either side. So if market breakout here, it means the market is going to move up. If market break down on the support, then it means that the market is going to come back to the downside. So that is a 50-50 scenario if Fed did not hike interest rate. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now on the one-day chart, and it's going to happen today. If you look at this, this is about 7 p.m. Nigeria local time, which is about 19 GMT, and the FOMC meeting will come up around 19.30 GMT. So this is very important, guys. So pay attention to this very level on the chart right now. Market is going to move either way after today. And on the 4-hour chart, I told you that market must have to break this level of support for us to see the market come back to the downside. And if you don't see market breakout on this level of support, there is no need taking a short position. Okay, market cannot go down if this very level of support is not broken. So in as much as market is within this very area of consolidation, markets have high capacity of breaking to the upside than moving downward. But if you see the market break here, then that means market is going to move aggressively downward. And I told you that the point you should be watching is this very level of support. Market will come back down into this level of support, and the market may not be that aggressive downward. We can see the market move down, retrace, and finally come into this very zone of $30,000 and $35,000. This is what I am expecting right now on the 4-hour chart BTC, and on ETH is not an exception. Consolidation means that market is about to ride to a particular direction. So once a breakout happens, which is what I am waiting for, market is going to move either way. And levels you should be paying attention to right now is this very area of support right at this very point. I told you in my immediate last video that market should first of all break from this area before taking a short position, and also we must have to see a market breakout on this level of resistance. So market move up, breakout here with a significant bullish candle will mean that the market is going to ride up again. So wait, this is a waiting period, and I always say that waiting period is also trading period, because if you take trade when you're not supposed to take trade and you lose money from your account, it's actually a trade that you are taking. Okay, so wait for the market to come back down for any move in this very bearish direction. And on Matic here, if you look at Matic have not created any new high after this very high. This also means that the market is in a pause mode, and right now, like I told you, I am expecting the market to break on this level of support. So a breakout on this level of support will send the market into this level of support and this very area of support. And you also have to pay attention to this very area of resistance. So this resistance level at this very point is also very important, and from here markets can break here and begin to move to the upside. Like I said, everything now depends on the Fed interest rate that we're going to see today. If there is anything that affects the crypto market, is the Fed interest rate, and it's going to move the market in either direction. So on Matic, expect this to break out to happen today, tomorrow. And right here on ADA, we've been seeing ADA coming back to the downside. Something very important I talked about in my last video is that the market have to break this trend line. I drew a trend line right at this very point, and I said if market break out on this trend line from this very area, then that means this market is going to come back down into this area, and that is what we are seeing right now. I am still expecting this market to come into this very zone of support, since we now have this very trend line broken. So market break, come here to retest, and then it's coming back down right now. Still expect this market to move back down. Okay, so from here market should come into this very level of important support. That is what I am expecting right now on the chart. And if we see a breakout here, the next level that you should pay attention to is this very area of support as well. And I will be updating you on what to do on this very chart. And on XRP, we've been seeing XRP increasing and moving to the upside. And one thing very important is that the market is creating new highs. That means the market have capacity of still moving to the upside. So on XRP right now, expect the market to retrace from this area of 0.62 and this very point right here. So within this zone is where retracement should come in from. So from here, expect retracement in the market before continuation, and this level and this area should be the level of support you should watch for the market to move up again. So expect retracement on XRP right now. So this is what you need to pay attention to on these various charts. The most important thing about today's analysis is the Fed interest rate decision. Take note of it and don't be fake out of any position. Relax for the market to break out before taking any trade. If you want to enroll for the Remit Trade Intensive Cryptocurrency course and mentorship program, check the description of this video, see contact and reach out to me. and get trained. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.